Well, here we are today at the San Sebastian Pulguero, the flea market. We like to come here and look for mostly for plants, but sometimes you'll find all sorts of things, belts and car parts and old antiques. So let's go check out what's going on.
¿Y tú lo sentiste?
So here we are at the flea market in San Sebastian, and I just got these two flowers, bromeliad, that wonderful flower, and this plant here.
This is called a bombilla because it looks like little light bulbs.
The bombilla. So into the car they go.
Well, we have just walked through the whole Pulguero, and we've gotten some palm trees, we got some flowers, and I got this little crocheted barrette, so I'm pretty happy. Today we have a little project. It's kind of a medium-sized project. Basically, we want to expand the garden down from this area. This is as far as the hose reaches, as much as the stream of water will reach, from the bridge area where we have the water connection. And so we would like to continue to plant down past approximately that almond tree that has like the elbow right there. So it's kind of where we're thinking that the water pipe will end. So we're going to basically bury the plastic water tubing, just maybe 3 inches deep or so. We don't have to go too far, but just so we don't step on it until we reach there, and then we'll hook up another hose and nozzle so that then we can continue planting all the plants that we've been getting, like at the Pulguero and at other viveros and at various places on the side of the road and from individual farmers and all sorts of stuff. So we have a lot of demand, and we need to be able to take care of the plants that we plant. So the first thing after clearing an area is making sure it has water.
So the way that this works is the water meter's all the way at the top of the property, and it runs a 1/2 inch PVC line all the way down to the turkey coop, and then from the turkey coop we have a shutoff valve. That from there it comes over down this hill, under the bridge, and over to the house. It's all 1/2-inch PVC. What we're going to do is splice into that line at the start of the bridge here using this PVC tee and some glue. Just glue and start a new line heading over to the new garden. So it'll go on right there and we'll head off that direction. So the way that this PVC glue works is it has this little ball at the end. It'll get a bunch of glue on there, so you wipe off the excess till you just get enough on there. Spread it on the inside of what you're going to glue, and in this case on the outside of this tube, just a little thin coat of it. Push it together and turn it, and in about 15 minutes it sets and dries and should hold pressure. So then it's just a matter of gluing all the rest of this piping together where these joints are until we get to the point where we're going to put the faucet on. So we were putting the water line in and we're short. We thought we were going to be a little short, but we're a lot short. There's an old saying, measure twice, cut once. Well, I'm going to go to the store and get some more tubes. So we ran out of tube, but we got more just up the street, the hardware store here in Puntas. So now it's time to tie the new line into the old one. So we've got the T on here ready to go. I just need to cut the main line and then we'll glue it on. Let these drain, we'll dry them off, clean them, and glue them.
The water's turned off.
Yeah.
So this is just the excess from the line.
Have all this glued together, and this is the tree where we're going to put it on. I'm going to secure it with this little copper strap to the tree so that it's not all loose. I'll just put it on there and put a couple nails in it. Gracias. Might move over time, but it'll hold for a while. That way the hose doesn't pull it off. And now we're ready to try it. Test it and check for leaks. So now it's all connected, and we're going to start burying it using our favorite tool, the digging stick. Just about 1 inch all the way across. Put the pipe in, put it over just to cover it so it doesn't look bad. It's all mostly visual. Well, we turned the water on, tested the pressure, doesn't seem to be any leaks. So we're just hooking up the hose, and we buried everything almost entirely. There's a couple spots to just fill in, but it's underground.
Here it is, the final product. We got water to a new area.